Here's a question to test to see if you really understand the chain rule without giving you a function. So the question here is to determine what h prime of 1 is. And we're given that h of x is the composition of the functions f of g of x. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out what h prime of x is. So h prime of x, since this is a composite function, you have to follow the chain rule, which is the derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone, and then times the derivative of the inside. So now we have h prime of x. To find h prime of 1, we need to plug in 1 for the x's. So we have f prime of g of 1 times g prime of 1. So we look to the table to find all of these values. And of course, they give us more values than we need. But first of all, we have to figure out what g of 1 is. G of 1, according to this table, is g of 1 is negative 1. So we have f prime of negative 1 times g prime of 1. So now we have to figure out what f prime of negative 1 is based off this table. So here's f prime, here's negative 1. F prime of negative 1 is 5. Then times g prime of 1. So here's g prime, here's 1. G prime of 1 is 2. So the answer to this question is h prime of 1 is equal to 10. And that's it.